Everybody, they secure. Baba, country just hard anyhow, bro. Before, if things they run you, especially girls, you just post for WhatsApp, like say they get mixed feelings. Before they know, before 10 guys, they view them, like 9, don't ask you, what's the problem? I've not eaten. Before you know, they don't send you money. Abi? Before, if you like, post poison. Then go watch and pass, Baba. Go watch Sabino's. They be like, if you want die, die. Baba, no die for this life, oh, this life. Hey, God. My mama burial, my guys carry babe come. Baba, who don't die, don't die. I shock. Then they book, they send me money to help them book room. They're not even there emotional, like. That's advice, and then all of them come my mama burial now. Now, August, you never take. No be on a carry babe now. I say, ask advice. Baba, oh, but don't forget, say you don't marry. Bro, man, don't go spoil your marriage. It don't be you, oh. Quiet wife, you get here, they rugged, though. I see for news, they say they want legalize gun. Nigerians begin say good, make them legalize gun, make everybody get them. And now poor people, they like that in pass, make them legalize gun. If they got na 2.5, you will never feel buy 1 cup of rice. They make them legalize gun. If big men now begin carry their gun, this chairman, then at this table now, like 6 guns go there here. Poor men go begin the envy on and say, why they go use 6 guns? 3 of them no fit just use 1 gun. Now so big men, they show themselves every time. Why 6 of them go just carry 6 guns? Now what we need, Abi? Baba, people they say suya now, they respect them. We don't know where this thing they come from. Full of herdsmen everywhere.